Okay, this is going to be a really quick one. We just wrote a program to take a number, print whether or not it's prime. And that method had a void return type, meaning it just did something, it didn't return a value back to main. I want to change it a little bit just to show some of the other things you can do with methods. Instead of having the method just print out your number is prime, your number is not prime, I want to have it return just the word is or is not. And the printing happen outside the method. So here's the code we start with. Our original return type was void. I'm going to change that to string. So now our program is going to return a string. Nothing is going to change except for this. Instead of printing, when I find a factor, I'm going to return the string is not. Okay? And if I get to the end without finding a factor, I'm going to return the string is. So it will only get here if it didn't return inside the loop where I'm looking for factors. Okay, so if I find a factor, I return the words is not. If I don't find a factor, I get to the end and I haven't found one yet, I just return the word is. And then out here, outside my method, so let me close that IsItPrime method. You give me an integer, I will tell you if it's prime. Int my number equals a blah, 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 blah. So what am I going to print out? I'm going to print out your number, space plus IsItPrime my number plus and then the word prime. End the print statement. Okay? So what does this do? It prints your number and then it calls the method. It sends it my number. That method will return a string. That string is either the word is or the word is not. So that's what will appear here. And then the word prime. Let's run it and see if it works. Let's give it a number I know is not prime. 100. Your number is not prime. Give it a number that I know is prime. 31. Your number is prime. Okay, so now I have a function where the printing happens outside the function, and the function just returns to me a string that's either is or is not. I could also have the method return a Boolean and say if IsItPrime equals true, print is prime. If IsItPrime is false, print is not prime. Okay. So I can, in any given situation, decide which one of these methods might be the best method for the method. Do I want it to just do something? Do I want it to return me a string? Do I want it to return me a Boolean? It's kind of up to you. Do we want to do the other version just to show that it can be done? Maybe I should make that a homework assignment. Yeah, I'll make that the homework assignment. Just to take this really, really simple program and rewrite it with a function that instead of having a return type of string, has a return type of Boolean.